Now question 3. Find the 7.1 question 3. Find the smallest number which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. जैसे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में करते थे वैसे सेम मेथड फॉलो करनी है, राइट। यहाँ 3 का ग्रुप बनाना था, वहाँ 2 का पेयर बनती थी, तो 81 यूनिट डिजिट 1, so not divisible by 2, 8 plus 1 9, so it is divisible by 3, so 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now look here, 3 is alone here, so we have to divide it by 3 both sides. So what we write factor first, 3 3 times, and here 3 1 times. What we write? Same here, prime number 3 is only 2 times in second group. So if we divided both sides, if we divided by 3 both sides, we get perfect cube number, right? So 81 divide 3, 3 multiply 3 and 3 divide by 3, 3 3 cut, therefore 81 divide 3, so 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21 is equal to 3 cube. Now we have to find cube root of this, so right here cube root 27 is equal to 3. So which is the smallest number? So 3 is the smallest number which 81 must be divided to get a perfect cube number. So therefore 3 is the smallest number by which 81 must be divided to get a perfect cube. Now next is given 128 unit digit 8, so divisible by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, again 4, so divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, again 2, 2 4 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now check, make group here, 2 is only one time, right? So write factors 128, 2 multiply 2 3 times, again 3 times, and again 1 time. So what we write here, prime number 2 is only one time. If we divided by 2 both sides, we get perfect cube number. So I will write directly here, therefore 128 divided by 2, 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2, here 2. Now divide by 2, 2 2 cut, so 128 divided by 2, then 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, it is 64. So here 2 cube, again 2 cube, therefore cube root of 64 is equal to 2 multiply 2, right? So cube root of 64 is equal to 4. So 2 is the smallest number by which 128 must be divided to get a perfect cube number. Now next